Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. This is an interesting concept, and these are the central schools which have been developed by the government under the Ministry of Education with an idea to bring out the rural talent in India. So, students from the rural background, 75% of the students would be preferably from the rural area, and the most talented students would be admitted to the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. The admission occurs during class 6. So after class 5, they appear for an entrance exam, which is the JNVST, that is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test. Now under this test you would have 40 questions from mental ability, 20 questions from arithmetic, and 20 questions based on the regional language that is there. Based on this, students would be selected for class 6th, and the whole education from class 6 till 12th, that is 7 years of education, would be taken care by the government. So lodging, boarding and all kind of activities would be fully free of cost. So everything would be taken care by the government. The idea is to cater to the rural India, and this would be run by an autonomous organization, which is the Jawahar Navodaya Samiti from New Delhi under the Department of School Education and Literacy, which is now under Ministry of Education, previously MHRD, that is Ministry of Human Resource Development. Now, this is an idea where residential schooling system would be provided, and students who belong to the families from where the socio-economic conditions are not good, even those students would be provided education free of cost. All of the states of India except the state of Tamil Nadu has Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. There are total of nearly 661 functional JNVs or the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas at present, and of which you have an enrollment of around 2 lakh from the rural area and the remaining from the urban areas or different categories that would be there. Now if we talk about the basic idea how JNV started, so JNV was an idea laid down by Rajiv Gandhi, and later on under the National Policy of Education 1986, this was adopted that there would be a JNV in each district. So every district would have one JNV that would be there. This JNV would be located in the hinterland of the city, not in the main city. So it would have ample area, and an approximate area coverage would be around 30 acres for the school building and the residential campus, which accounts for nearly 12 hectares of area under which the JNV would be established. The idea is to provide excellence and social justice. The first of the schools were started in 1885-86, and those were two of the important ones, the Jhajjar in Haryana and Amravati, the JNV Amravati in Maharashtra. The selection test that we have mentioned enrolls numerous students. You have more than 1800,000, that is 18 lakh students appearing for this examination, of which only you have 4 lakh or 40,000, not even 4 lakh, 40,000 students that qualify. So out of 18 lakh, only 40,000 students qualify for this examination, and that is less than 2% of the pass percent result. So definitely it is a difficult examination, and lot of students have been working forward to qualify for JNV in order to have the safe and secure future for next 7 years. Also in class 9th you have the provision for lateral entry in the JNVs that is there. Recently, in collaboration with Samsung India, JNV has launched the digital mission through which smart boards, Wi-Fi connectivities would be provided in the school, and also there would be a provision to give assistance to the meritorious students at each level, and the exam would be conducted in 3 different phases, and the students joining and clearing those 3 different phases would have a different session structure that they would be joining. So this was a very basic introduction about the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, one of the unique model that has been developed, and based on this Odisha state has come up with a unique model, which is Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya or Odisha model schools, which would have a similar concept where One school in every of the block headquarters would be established to promote or to provide assistance and education to the meritorious and the talented students. So definitely this has been one of the role models for the schools of excellence in India. We would be covering many more lectures on education and higher education. So stay tuned with more updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.